Transferring money with VIPs has never been easier, but knowing the best time to do it can save both time and potential fees. VIPs processes payments instantly, which means money moves from one account to another within seconds, but the timing can affect accessibility, especially when dealing with banks that have cutoff times. Early morning transfers, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., are often the most reliable. At this time, most banking systems are fully operational after nightly maintenance, and transfers are less likely to encounter delays. Sending money during weekdays ensures the recipient receives funds without waiting for bank processing days. Transfers made late at night, after 10 p.m., or during weekends may be visible in the VIPs app immediately, but the actual crediting in the recipient's bank account may be delayed until the next business day. For international transactions, the timing can make a more significant difference. Sending money in the early hours of weekdays can align with business hours in other countries, reducing processing delays. VIPs fees are standard and do not vary by time, but coordinating transfers during active banking hours ensures smoother fund availability. Large transfers, especially those above $1,000, benefit from early scheduling in the day. This allows the banks to verify transactions, reducing the risk of holds or additional checks. Recurring payments are best set up during the first half of the week, preferably Monday or Tuesday, ensuring the recipient has access before the weekend. Monitoring notifications within the app is essential, as VIPs provides immediate alerts when transfers are completed. Choosing the right time is about balancing instant app confirmation with practical bank processing schedules. By transferring money with VIPs during active banking hours, weekdays, and early in the day, users can maximize efficiency, ensure timely delivery, and avoid unnecessary delays.